Hi, and welcome to 9327 Trinana Circle in beautiful Winter Garden, Florida. This 3,800 square foot, 5-bedroom, 4-bath home is located in the Watermark subdivision of Horizons West. This energy-efficient Meritage home has over 3,800 square feet with 5 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms. This open floor plan is ideal for families and made for entertaining. The first floor has beautiful porcelain tile throughout, crown molding, a gas fireplace with a guest bedroom and full bathroom. The chef's kitchen has upgraded cabinets, quartz counters, top-of-the-line appliances, and a walk-in pantry. The second floor opens to a loft perfect for a game room, secondary family room, or kids' retreat. Each bedroom has a walk-in closet and a private bath. The expansive master bedroom has a luxurious bathroom and a huge walk-in closet. Beautiful custom folding doors open onto a covered lanai, the elaborate pool and spa, complete with water features. This home sits on a quarter-acre conservation lot with no rear neighbors and Disney fireworks nightly. Thank you for touring this beautiful property with me. I'm Lisa Holaday, and I'd love to set up a private tour for you. So contact me at the number below and check out our website, stockworth.com, for information on more properties in Orlando. Cheers!